Hi my dears, welcome back. In the previous class, we learned about the chapter In Search of the Source of Wind. Today, we are going to discuss about the third geography chapter, Human Resource Development in India. This unit examines some aspects of human resource development and its status in India, the factors influencing it and the interrelationship between them. Let's move to the chapter. First one, human resource. What is meant by human resource? Human resource refers to people who have the manpower which can be utilized in the production sector. Increase in production and progress of a country can be accelerated only if the human resource is developed to the maximum. Then can you tell how can be developed human resource? Yes, we can develop human resource through education, healthcare and training. Let's discuss about human resource development in detail. Human resource development is the development of man's physical and mental abilities through education, healthcare and training. There are different levels of human resource development. Let's learn about it. First one, individuals take efforts to develop their own skills. Second one, family creates an environment for the development of the potential of individuals. Next, various institutions and agencies provide facilities for education and training. Last one, nation provides the necessary facilities for its people to develop their skills. Let's learn about the features of human resource. Observe the flowchart carefully. From this chart, we can understand that human resources have two features. They are quantitative features and qualitative features, right? In quantitative features, it includes the aspects like size of population, population density, growth of population and population structure. But in qualitative features of human resource, there are two factors, education and healthcare. Let us analyze the quantitative aspects. First one is size of population. Size of population refers to the total number of people residing in a country at a particular time. The branch of social science that analyzes the population, the changes in its size, its structural aspects, etc. is known as demography. Every country collects information on the number of people in the country, their age, sex, socio-economic status, etc. and analyzes these at specific intervals of time. This activity is known as population census. In India, census activities are spearheaded by the Office of the Population Registrar General and Census Commissioner. Population census in India is conducted once in 10 years. Population studies help the government to quantitatively assess the different needs of the people and to plan activities and programs accordingly. In addition to this, population study is also useful to inform the availability of human resources in a country, to depict the extent of basic facilities required by the people, and to quantify the goods and services required, and also to determine the socio-economic development policies. Next quantitative aspect is density of population. Density of population refers to the number of people per square kilometer area. This differs in various states in India. Next one is growth of population. Population growth refers to the increase in the number of people in an area within a specific period of time. It is indicated in terms of percentage. The birth rate, death rate, and migration are the factors that affect the population of a country. Birth rate is the number of live births per thousand. Death rate is the number of deaths per thousand. Then the migration is the settlement of people of a region in another region. This table shows how birth rate, death rate, and migration affects the population of a country. When birth rate of a country increases and death rate decreases, population increases there. When birth rate of a country decreases and death rate increases, population declines there. When birth rate and death rate are equal, there is no change in population. But in the case of migration, population increases in one region but decreases in another region. Last one, population structure or age structure. Age structure is the classification of population into different age groups and presenting the ratio of each group in the population. For example, classification is done in the age groups like 0 to 14 years, 15 to 59 years, and 60 and above years. Labor force participation rate is the ratio of the population in the age group between 15 and 59, who are either employed or actively looking for jobs. This age group has the capacity to contribute to the progress of the nation. The age groups between 0 and 14 years and 60 years and above are included in the dependent group. Their proportion in total population is known as dependency ratio. This group depends on the working force of a country. An increase in the dependency ratio decreases the per capita income. Along with it, the sex ratio plays an important role in determining the human resource of a country. Sex ratio is the number of females per 1000 males. Let's conclude today's topic. What are things we learned today? Yes, today we learned about human resource. Along with it, we learned about the quantitative features of human resource like size of population, population density, growth of population, and the aspects of growth of population like birth rate, death rate, and last one, population structure and its categories like age structure, sex ratio, labor force participation rate, and dependency ratio. Hope all of you understood these topics. We will meet in the next class with the rest of the chapter. Thank you.